Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious little pup named Pup. Pup was not like the other dogs. He was always curious and eager to explore. His insatiable thirst for knowledge made him stand out amongst the pack. One sunny day, Pup decided to embark on an adventure to the far end of the forest. He had heard tales of a hidden treasure, a treasure that held the secrets to the forest's magic. With a wagging tail and a heart full of excitement, Pup set off on his journey. As Pup ventured deeper into the forest, he encountered a myriad of creatures, from the chirping birds to the slithering snakes. He met a wise old owl who shared with him the importance of patience. Sometimes, the owl said, the most valuable treasures are not found quickly, but through understanding and learning. Pup pondered this wisdom as he continued his quest. He came across a beautiful, shimmering lake. Intrigued, he approached and saw a reflection of the forest's canopy in its still waters. Pup realized that the true treasure was not a pile of gold or precious gems, but the beauty and knowledge hidden within the forest. He returned to his village, sharing the wisdom he had gained. The villagers were amazed by his journey and the lessons he had learned. Pup, with his newfound understanding, became a beloved figure in the community, always ready to share his knowledge with others. The tale of Pup serves as a reminder that sometimes, the real treasure is not what we seek, but what we find along the way. It teaches us that patience, understanding, and a curious mind can lead us to the most valuable discoveries. So, let us all be like Pup, and embrace the journey of learning with an open heart and an inquisitive mind.